Unless somebody scores this inning, we're primed for extras, and we are sitting on a fine time limit. We have a 2 hour and 10 minute time limit in this tournament unless we're in the playoffs, and we are at about 1 hour and 20 minutes or so. So feasibly enough time for at least a few extra innings if need be. But of course both of these teams will be looking to scratch the surface, get the win here. Foul back to the screen. Wilsie back out for another inning of work on the bump. We got Ohlers, Pestasco, and DeLucas due up. Off-speed stuff there from Wilsie. Good spot downstairs. Our next teams are arriving here, getting ready for their next game. We've got 3 coming up ahead of us here. Hey! Strike 3. Bring him up. First out of the inning there from Wilsie. Called strike to Pestasco. Another strike on the outside corner, pouring it in. 2 on him now.
Just bring it over to Steve.
Top half of the 7th inning, no score. Oh, not going to get the call there. Close take. Great spot there from Wilsie. Ground ball right back to the mound. Easy play for Wilsie. 2nd out of the inning. He is on cruise control at the moment.